Okay, now family, look at this. Look at this. These are finished. These are finished. Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In the neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. Those of you who are new right on over here, special welcome. Thank you so very much. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of the journey and you're still here, manners and respect. Now today this video is just like a small video, but I think it's gonna mean a lot. This is the time of the year when people are doing lots and lots of cooking. I don't have to say that. I don't even need to say that. So lots of salads and boiled eggs and all of that. This video is gonna be showing you how to test for fresh eggs and also how to have some properly cooked boiled eggs. That's what it's called. This video is about, and a little more. Now, boiled eggs are done on medium. I think I've said that before in a video, but I've not gone, in depth. So I have right here 6 eggs. Them not so huge like yours, you all family, because these days me notice a source of game fold egg, and you have to test your egg. Them these were rinsed and all of that and clean, even though so them supposed to clean them before them put them on the supermarket shelf, but you're supposed to come and just wash them up back again and tap them dry before you put them in your refrigerator, or if you're just going to be using them, because we all know where eggs come from. And even though you're going to be washing them, you don't need to take soap and to scrub and to carry on. When you do give them a second rinse and tap them, you're going to be boiling them for about 20 minutes. So the duration of that boiling, if there's anything on the outside, it will, if any bacteria is there, it will kill it. 20 minutes boiling, that will kill any bacteria. But still, you just rinse them and all of that. Now we're going to we want to talk a little about the freshness of the egg. Let me do it first things first. Back in the days when I was a child and my mother wanted to test an egg, you see? She would just take an egg. And if all you or anybody you know about that, please comment. Kayla, Dana Chapman, Angela Hamilton, Red Hat, all of you know about that, what I'm going to do here now. Please comment, please comment. She would just go where the light is, and my window is right here where the light is coming through. And I'm just going to be, what she would do is close one hand. Make sure that your eye locked down. And in order to make sure you're going to use your hand and hold your eyelid down, she's going to hold the egg. Now make it drop and broken and I mess you up, to the light, up to the sunlight, and she's going to have this eye open. And she's going to do like this. And she's going to look right. And then she said, yes, it's good. Because she says she sees right through the egg. There is no block. If you see a little black spot in there, it simply means that it's not good. She sees right through the egg. If you know nothing about that, please comment. Now, nowadays people say you're going to take the egg, put it in some warm water. If it floats, the egg is not fresh. If it stays down, that means it is fresh. So this one is fresh. So this is, we not think we could not go on, but I take that one they put in on the yaya and look all about in a sun. But if you know about that, please comment. That's how they did it in the days back then. Now we are going to be cooking these eggs. Cold water up to the max. We are going to put them gently down into the water. Can do 2 at a time. Cold water. Gently, know that egg, for bother angle them with the nature and all of them something there, because nobody around here don't have the surname Miss Agnes. So we are supposed to be handling them gently. Our surname would have to be Miss Gentleness, not Miss Agnes. So we are gonna be handling them with real care, real gently. Cold water, cover your pot. Flame. My flame, this ice is like 6. I'm gonna be taking it to about 2.5, a little more, because I think this is the ice burner. So I'm gonna be leaving this one on 2, medium flame. 20 minutes, not from now, family. when the boiling starts, when the water starts to boil, 20 minutes from then. I'll return and I'll show you the pace at which it's going to be cooking. As soon as the water starts boiling under this temperature, or this flame, oh God, this here flame here, medium. You're leaving it there in the cold water, and it must stay there and start boiling on that. When it starts to boil, 20 minutes from then, we are going to see what kind of boiled egg we have, okay? Because lots and lots of egg are going to boil, you know. I don't know the fall them are going to manage. Maybe we have to go start later, eh? Now we're going to cut camera off. We're going to do something a little different. Right on over here. Egg and boil. Egg along. Now, I have often thought about doing this. Sometimes when I go through the comments and I see some of the comments there, for me, I would like to share them. So maybe not every video from now to the holiday, because you know the thing I turn up in the holiday, I get near and I be things, you know, and me I feel I get extra busy around a bush mouth here too, you know, because I've got to deliver. Okay, so what I want to do now, the last few videos that I put up, I've picked one comment that I would like to elaborate a little bit on with you all, because my always telling us that this Jamaican cooking journey, it's not about me and camera girl and them something there, you know. It's about all of us. I represent on this side with the camera, but you on the other side, you look and you comment. So it is only fair for us to stay together as a family. Let us incorporate everything. And we chat, because we've got to talk, okay? So I've picked out 3 comments, and I've got to call the people's name. If you don't want me to call the name, just say, Debbie, don't call me name. Nobody gave me any permission to call these 3 names. But I'm going to call them, and I think you shouldn't have the problem, because it's not everybody when name Debbie down a yard. Can't you know my full name and Debbie down a yard? If it makes sense, please comment. You know that's not my real name though. But it's not everybody use their real name. You know, they have their social media name. So I'm using 3 names, and let me call them. And if you never want me calling a name, please just say, Debbie, I did not appreciate you calling my name. And right now, if any of you are in the comment section or on the Jamaican cooking journey, and when we're talking and we're sharing all of that, you don't want me to call your name, please make sure you send me that email. You send me na Instagram, send me na WhatsApp, send me na comment, send me all about. Debbie, don't call my name. Okay? So we're going to be using, we are take up this pan with Ed right now. We're going to be taking 3 comments real quick. Miss Lemon, Michelle Byno, B-Y-N-O-E, please correct me, and JD. Now Miss Lemon said, she was talking about the gungo peas video, the last one we did. I'm sorry. She said, nice Debbie, but I would take out the extra water before seasoning it. We're going to leave the link to that video in the description, and you go look at it. When we took out the extra water, the extra liquid, after we season, that's what Miss Lemon was talking about. She was saying that she would have taken out that water before she put in the seasoning them. But then again, we wouldn't know that the water wasn't enough because we never put in the rice yet. Huh? What would you do? How do you take out your water? When do you take out your excess water from your pea spot? Or when do you take it out? We're not saying Miss Lemon is wrong, you know. She was just saying she would do that. And when would you take out, or when do you take out? Leave your comment on that. And please do not leave anything rude against Miss Lemon. It's nothing rude. We are just on the journey and we are suggesting. Okay? So when do you take out your water? And tell me why you take it out that time. Miss Lemon says she should have take out her water before she put in the seasoning. Are you like Miss Lemon, or do you take out your water at a different time? Please say. We are sharing, we are caring. Please let your comments be principled and decent. Okay? Let's go fast again. Now, Lord Jesus, JT, that's nothing. JT when he said Debbie do peanut porridge. JT, I'm not sure if you're a male or female, you know. But Miss, you know, some of you say you're a male. And if I'm male, you're a male. Who you want to lick down so with that porridge here? I'm coming for you with that porridge by the time this November month is out, JT. And we are sweat like bull in the kitchen even though the fan is on. Okay? Now, Michelle BYNOE, Bino, says having a sense of direction and prepping does make things easier. She was talking about the last kitchen talk. She says having a sense of direction and prepping does make things easier. What do you think, family? Do you prep easy? Do you prep ahead of time? And when you prep ahead of time, do you find it easier? Please comment. Last but not least, JD, not JT. JT a peanut porridge. Where got the JT peanut porridge in? JD says, looks good, Debs. Would love this with some soft yam or rice. And that is the last video with the pak choy and all of that. No, me personally, I give JD one big piece of clap. Because me, they be down a yard there, I forget about the soft yam and that the pak choy and saltfish. I forgot totally about it. She said she would use soft yam and rice. Rice, yes. But we would, rice, I don't know if it would go for breakfast with rice. Maybe some people that eat it, no problem. But the soft yam and it can go for dinner too, but it is beautiful. I did say dumplings, fried dumplings, and I don't remember what. What do you think? Have you ever had it with soft yams? What do you think about it with soft yams? And let me tell you why I had to use this comment too. It is so convenient. It is so beautiful to know that there is a video on the Jamaican cooking journey that shows you how to prepare your soft yams. What do you think? We're going to leave the link to that video in the description. Right on over here, and you see our water is getting heated, and this is the paste. We can almost say no, not full 20 minutes enough, but probably be another 18 from now. Let us come back. You see it start bubbling slightly. This is the paste at which we are going to cook our eggs. When we return, perfectly boiled eggs. Okay, now family, look at this. Look at this. These are finished. These are finished. Look at them. If you can see that the water has subsided, see where we start. These are finished. We're going to turn our flame off, and the instant you turn your flame off, you're going to be removing. You're done cooking now. Look at them. No one broke, and you see the white and all of them something they mess up the pot and all of them something there. That did not happen. Has that ever happened to you? You know why it happened? The flame was too high, so they knock against each other, and with that extra high from the high heat, the water started to look at what I'm showing. Look at what I'm going to be showing you now. Let's get the heat back on. You turn it up. Look at that. Look at the pace of this now. Let's give it a little time. If you want to click off, click off. You want to click off. I'm just showing you something. I'm getting into the meat of this thing. Look at it. I have it on the very ice flame. Look at it. And the water temperature did drop and it a build up. You see the bubbling? That would make any egg broke up. All the fowl would have broke up too. So you go right on over here. You want to stop the cooking process. And you, if them run broke out, not wrong enough. So you're going to be throwing them out in your cold, and then you're going to leave them. Lord have mercy. The water gone. So you're going to leave them to run now under some cold water. You know me always have the problem. Somebody else is using water around here. So we're going to use them right now. Leave them under the water and let the water bring them right down to a cool temperature. We soon come back. Okay, now family, so you're running them under the cold water. You might hear some noise. My neighbors next door are really talking loud. So you're running them under the cold water. Let them come down to a cool temperature. So you just want to crack them. What I want to show you right here and now, as soon as you crack it, you're peeling them. Look at the easy peel that you're going to be getting. You want to peel, and when you peel, you don't get, come on, can you catch them? You don't get anything each. Look at this. You're going to have this white layer here, and you want to get it right off the head. Now when you get all of this egg trash right off, I want to show you something. I want to show you. There is a slime that is going to be on the egg of itself. You need to give this egg right here and now a thorough rinse until you don't feel any slime running on your hands. Okay? I'll be going now, and I'll be treating the other 5 as I did to this. And when you return, I'll have some properly boiled eggs in your face. Soon come. Okay, now family, let me present to you. That's just it. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your Thanksgiving table, to your Christmas dinner or breakfast or whatever table, to your family table most of all, to your palate and to your stomach. It's perfectly boiled eggs done from scratch. You saw me, I did it. Please do enjoy. Now we just use a little green because you know we have the white and the yellow. Your eggs will be more yellow. I don't know I want for them one year enough. Family look like this one, but not yellow to them. I have no clue. But these, some some eggs, the yellow is more brighter than some. So we just use a little green French thyme, and we made strips just for decoration. This is also a little kitchen thing for you decorate, because you know, so the egg then just white and it just dark. So you just pep it up. You could do some green thyme leaves. You could use a little fresh parsley just for your decorating table. And guess what? It can be eaten. Please do enjoy once more. Now, if you have liked this video, if this video has done anything to you, to your kitchen skills, if you feel that it do nothing for you, because every time you try to boil them egg, them burst up in the pot and chaka and all kind of things, and the white start float out, and all of these things are happening, and you don't know what happened, what is the problem. You know you have to cook your eggs for 20 minutes in cold water on a medium heat, okay? Please do enjoy once more. Now, if you like it, if you do anything for you, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. When you do subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell. If you're new right on over here and been looking and you're looking, man, a time now for you slap up the subscription thing, man. Hit the bell. When you hit the bell, leave your comments below. So principled and decent, that's what we strive for right here on the Jamaican cooking journey. Principle and decency, manners and respect. We don't go without that. And today's post note, and when you do that, you just leave your comment below. You will be a member of the post notification crew, and you'll be like these people. They did it all at once, it seems, and because of Christmas, that's how we roll. That is how we'll be rolling, like how we are gonna roll now on the Jamaican cooking journey. Today's post notification shout outs goes to Gaza GXRL. What is that? Is that girls? Like we call it girls. Gaza girls. Joshua Gabriel, Natalie Harris, and Melinda Edwards. They were all in there. And Gaza Christmas, and so we are doing it. Debbie from Donga Yard, bless, no stress.